Good evening everyone. My name is Pooja Singh. Today I am going to discuss on the topic of overconfidence bias from behavioral finance. So let's start with the introduction of behavioral finance. What is behavioral finance? Behavioral finance is an emerging discipline that represents a collection of alternative approaches to refine the classical finance definition of economic rationality. In particular, means behavioral finance draws on the psychological and cognitive science literatures to examine why individual decision making often deviates from rational choices in systematic ways. Next slide is on the overconfidence bias. What is overconfidence bias? First, let me tell you, people uh, are not as smart as they think they are. Placing too much faith in your knowledge, believing that your contribution to a decision is more valuable than it actually is. Overconfidence pertains to how well people understand their own abilities and the limits of their knowledge. When people are overconfident, overconfidence can cause a person to experience problems because he may not prepare properly for a situation or may get into a dangerous situation that he is not equipped to handle. Examples of overconfidence includes a person who thinks his sense of direction is much better than it actually is. The person could show his overconfidence by going on a long trip or without a map and refusing to ask for direction if he gets lost along the way. Effects of overconfidence. Overconfidence affects decision making both in the corporate world and individual investments. In a 2000 study, researchers found that entrepreneurs are more likely to display the overconfidence bias than the general population. Some succeed in their ventures, but many do not. Next topic is types of overconfidence. Let's see the examples of how bias plays out in the real world. This is the list of the overconfidence bias: overranking, illusion of control, timing optimism, desirability effect. Overranking. Overranking is when someone rates their own personal performance as higher than it actually is. The reality is that most people think of themselves as better than average. Um, in business and investing, this can cause major problems because it typically leads to taking on too much risk. Illusion of control. The illusion of control bias occurs when people think they are control over a situation when in fact they do not. This again can be very dangerous in business or investing, as it leads us to think situations are less risky than they actually are. Third point is timing optimism. Timing optimism is another aspect of overconfidence psychologically. An example of this is where people overestimate how quickly they can do work and underestimate how long it takes them to get things done. Especially for complicated tasks, business people constantly underestimate how long a project will take to complete. Our fourth point is desirability effect. The desirability effect is when people overestimate the odds of something happening simply because the outcome is desirable. On the next slide, we will discuss the example from stock. Continuously increasing in US dollar price, people become overconfident that price of US dollar will always increase in future. They start buying US dollar blindly. Suddenly, prices have fallen in 2014. So this is the bibliography. Um, this is the sources from where I have search and completed my project. Thank you. If you have any question, you can ask by commenting down.